Welcome to Colossian. This app creates videos, avatars and voiceovers in different languages and accents. So let's start. First, click on Get Started for free, and you land on this page. Here you can add your script created on ChatGPT, for example. Notice that you can choose a conversation or even upload your own audio. Mine is a narration. Anyway, it's your choice. Now let's add an actor. Which one should I choose? Okay, this one. What do you think? Then let's move on to backgrounds. You can choose a green one if you want to remove it later. I'll choose this one for this project.do. You like it? You also can use shapes, add text, music and transitions. Well, that's it.
Did you know TechForYou has amazing step-by-step tutorials on AI?
Oh, I do. I have subscribed, liked all the videos and added comments because these tutorials are quick, easy and free, and I've already started doing amazing projects thanks to them.
Are the videos long?
Not at all. They make everything simple and there is some mind-blowing stuff. Create avatars, voiceovers, videos, images in a few clicks. It is all about astonishing projects with AI.
Thanks, I'm starting today. Can't wait. How about you? Ready to start creating? Check out TechForYou today and get ready to create amazing projects. Thanks for watching.
Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd love to know. You have 3,000 words in the trial. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on the next one, because I'll be coming back with more interesting AI videos to help you in your projects. Thanks for watching.